see me? Okay. There's no way to start this video in a way that is not completely overdone. Let's just do this. Okay, let's come in, come in. So first you got my door, I got a poster, and I also have my COVID-19 fitness plan, which I totally followed. And then to my right, you have my makeup cart. This is from IKEA. I have some random stuff on top, and my makeup is in the bottom, very unorganized. This is my first bag that I have hanging. I really enjoy hanging these carry-out bags on my wall for reasons. I just like how positive they are, and I like the typography. Okay, so we have my mirror from IKEA. I got it a while ago. And a rug down here that is, I don't know where it came from, but I like it. And this chair that I thrifted actually just recently for $24. Hanging clothing of all my favorite pieces. I went for kind of a, I don't know, this color palette. And then up there we have stuff hanging. This is a Simon and Garfunkel poster. I really love this graphic, and I am a Simon and Garfunkel stan, so I have some other stuff I've thrifted, some plates, and other things, and more stuff. So here's the desk. I have no idea where the actual desk is from. I think it was actually my sister's before mine, but I basically never do work here. It's normally completely covered with random stuff, but I cleaned it for you guys. And it just has like knickknacks and things I like on it, and this picture of James Franco on the toilet. I found that in a photography book that I thrifted, and I framed it because it spoke to me. Above the desk, also I have like these fake flowers, dead flowers, dead flowers. I have a problem letting go of things. You'll find that as a theme in my room. We got a lot of dead flowers. But above my desk, I have a bunch of pictures, letters that people have sent me, Polaroids, just sentimental items, and I'll go into more detail, I guess. I'll just talk about some random ones. Let's see. We have an Oyster card from when I went to London. Letters people have sent me. There's a Valentine's Day card right here that I think is so cute. My friend Maddie made that for me. Yeah, my first SEPTA key from when I started college in Philadelphia. This is cute. This is, I'm out of breath from talking. I hate myself. Typically, there is a man in the Rittenhouse Square Park in Philadelphia that will write you a poem for free with his typewriter. I asked him to write me a poem about fluffy cats. Just notes and, I don't know, just a lot of sentimental things that I really like having on my wall. And then we'll move that way. We've got some stacks of books and some stacks of VHS tapes. We got that thing. My trash can, dead flowers. Basically all of these thrifted books are thrifted. Oh, and we also, I don't even know if you can see it, but we also have a record player that I never use. I mean, they're cute and all, but why use a record player when you can literally listen to any song on your phone? I don't know, just a thought. I mean, I get it. I get the appeal of it. But for me personally, I would rather just listen to Spotify on my speaker and not have to like listen through an entire album. Anyways, I've made all the record people mad. This is probably my least favorite part of my room. I just feel like it's really random. We got posters. These are both from Blick. This is from the Philadelphia Museum of Art, from like the exhibit they had. More random sentimental stuff. Don't talk to me or my son ever again. Jokes, memes, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, now we have my bed to look at. Isn't that joyful? Isn't that just delightful? So here's the left side of my bed. Basically a bunch of dead plants. And a side table that has a bunch of junk. Ooh. Okay. And then we have some paper cranes. These used to be in front in the display of a store I used to work at. We also have this paint situation that I put on here in like middle school, was it? Or freshman year of high school? I don't know. You got some strokes of paint on my wall that I put there. And then you have my bed. You have my cat, which right before this video, do you want to tell them what happened? Or should I? Okay, I'll tell them. Right before I was about to film this freaking my other cat just attacked my foot. Ellis, right before I was about to film this room tour, my cat decides to jump on my bed and pee on it. So there's pee around here. I folded it so you couldn't see, but yes. Thank you very much, kitty. That's really epic. My bed, we got this quilt that my great-grandmother made. We got this cute thing that my boyfriend got me. Thanks, Fred. It's so cute. Ella, stop! Baby. Baby. You're so cute. Why don't you love me? Does anyone else have cats that refuse to drink out of their bowl and only will drink out of either the toilet or your cups? 'Cause same. That is my bed. It's not really that juicy. I mean, it's really big. I'm very lucky to have a bed of such astronomical size. To the right of my bed, you have another side table with more dead flowers. We got a Shrek cup. Stuff inside of this. Ooh, money. So this is the other side of my bed. My bedside table. My bookshelf. Oh, I don't even know if they're in this shot, but I have these lights hanging down that I always forget exist and I never use them. And then we have things hanging on the door. A bag. My friend's 9th birthday. Pictures. And then we have some shelving over here. I got these from Target when I was like 12 or something. This is the most plush paper towel I've ever felt in my life. When I went to New York with my roommate at college, and my boyfriend and her boyfriend, we all went to New York together and we needed to use the bathroom, so we went into this hotel and they had these paper towels and they were so thick I had to keep one and save it, and now it's on my wall. We got more stuff hanging on the walls, looking real crazy. Every time my dad comes into my room, he comments on it. We got cameras in the shelving. Thrifted or vintage cameras. Oh, this is special. This is from my sister asked me to be her maid of honor. And then down here, you can't see it, okay. So right here, we've got my VHS player. TV thing. I've had this my entire life and it's very sentimental to me. You cannot see my face. Okay. Yeah, I realize I come off as kind of hypocritical because I was talking about the records not having a point. Well, this, you know, I could just watch Netflix, but I don't know, I just like this. I like watching VHS tapes still. They make me feel like I'm in a simpler time. A VHS tape you watched a lot as a kid, like the commercials on that VHS tape, they're like detrimental to your development. I believe that. And then next to that we have records. I don't know why they're here. They're literally just collecting dust. And it doesn't make sense because I have the VHS tapes on the other side of the room, but my TV's over here, and then I have my record player on the other side of the room, but I have records over here. Yeah, I don't know. This is my one plant, living plant I have in here. I used to have more, but then I left them to my friend and she killed all of them. Maddie, if you're watching this, I'm going to avenge the death of my plants and I'm gonna murder you. Just kidding. I have this globe that I've had for a really long time. I think it's from Target. This frame with the plant killer herself in it. This is thrifted books, my high school yearbook. Yeah, and then all of my clothes are inside. Not really that interesting. Okay, so this, it's kind of funny because like the rest of my room is so like kind of cutesy and like bright and happy. And then this is like dark and sad. But this is a mural I painted this summer. That wasn't supposed to be Trump, but it ended up looking so much like Trump, I just made it Trump. And then we have like the old ladies who are scared, and then the young people who are angry and taking it seriously. Then we have the Karens who refuse to wear masks. And then we have, I added like Black Lives Matter into it, so I added George Floyd and Breonna Taylor and Ahmaud Arbery. I'm not sure, like I don't know, I'm scared I like did them really dirty. But, so yeah, it's just kind of like about the political climate of this summer. I don't know. Down here we got a big stuffed duck that is hiding my dirty clothes that are here. No matter what, I always have dirty clothes. I hate doing laundry. That's my least favorite chore, which I don't know why because it's not that hard, I just hate it. I hope you enjoyed my room tour. Sorry I was gone for like a long time. I'll explain it in the description, I guess. I don't really want to get into it, but yes, I hope you liked this video. Please like it because I did clean my room for this, so be grateful.